So what do you think of this rain?
Well, woke up this morning, thought about going up north with like Mazingo. Rain. Wasn't supposed to be rain today. Yep. Hear that? Rain. So change of plans, we're gonna go try out Prairie Lake today and see how it's going. We were there last weekend, so hopefully I have the same luck as we did last weekend. Good one there.
That's a keeper, I think. Oh yeah, totally. Scissor shad, baby. Ow.
Why are you always hooking yourself?
I don't know. I didn't used to hook myself. I think it's a 10. We'll see.
So here's the deal. We pull up to the spot. Michelle's never really fished with a scissor shad before.
Yep.
And I was kind of laughing at her. She puts the dumb thing on. Right off the bat, this is like her 4th crappie she's caught in what, a minute? And she hooked into a 2-pound smallmouth bass.
Probably a 1.5.
Well, I got to teach her how to bring those sizes up a little bit more on the weights of the fish, so we'll say 2. You always round up.
Close up.
There's a close up of what she's using right there. Little chartreuse, black scissor shad with orange jig head on it, and just kind of throwing it up on shore and swimming it back. So I'm sure there'll be more to come. She always catches stuff like that all the time, so I don't know how she does it. We'll see what happens. Ooh, a big one. What is this? I think I caught the bait. I caught the bait. Your fish are eating this fish. Wait, it's getting bigger. Look at the size of that bad boy. Yeah, that's a monster right there. That's like a 4-pound green sunfish right there. See ya, bud.
Got a bass.
You got a bass?
Dang.
You need the net? It's a drum.
It's a drum. It's a dumb drum again.
Why do those guys always show up?
Alright, it's a drum like scissor shad too.
Apparently. There you go. That's a pretty good one.
Right on shore.
Really? Yeah, that's fat too. But look how bloody her mouth is. She's been up there. So might be a guy, might be a dude.
I don't know.
Looks like he's been up there.
Guess I'll put it in the live well, but
I'm sure.
I don't know if we'll keep it.